Ron from Cypress Station has noise control issues.
Oh, my. He lives directly under the intergalactic airport approach. Yeah. Ron writes, arriving flights are 500 feet above our roof. I'm thinking he knows when a heavy is coming in. We are replacing our siding now, and now is the time to replace the original 30-year-old insulation. And we have a 2x4 stick framing, and rather than using R13, I'm considering going to R30 and compressing it. And then for both insulation and sound absorption. Tom, this sounds a little fishy.
First off, the insulation is going to be the same because it goes by thickness, and if you're compressing it, it's still going to be an R13, if anything. I don't know. You can do it. I don't think it's going to stop a noise from an airplane, especially when the sound's coming through the roof, not the walls. It might do something. I mean, if you want to try it, but I can't tell you it's going to help because I don't think so. 500 feet's pretty close to the ground when these things come in, and that's a lot of noise and a lot of friction happening in the air as they slow down for landing. So I don't know if I'm going to tell you it's going to work, but you certainly can try and let us know.
I don't know if there's anything you can do about that. I mean,
no. You have to move.
You see these walls next to the freeway. I mean, they're right next to the freeway to stop that sound right there, not when it gets closer to the house.
Yeah, we're talking about airplanes. Come on.
You could build a big thing over it.
No, it's not going to work either.
Won't work. Okay.
Not 500 foot of airplane.
This is why he does home improvements.
Man, I don't know how. I hope you didn't buy the house after they put it in. And the worst thing is he might have got stuck with this after they put runways in or something.
Well, I compressed what he wrote. He says he's on 8L, which is the main runway for intergalactic. That's Bush Intercontinental here in Houston, in case you're wondering what we mean by that.
I don't think you have a chance.
What you need to do is find an aviation enthusiast to buy your house. That's what I'm thinking.
We can always consult with Chad on headphones.
That's true.
They do make those. But I have some for my
I'm thinking that there'd be like planes coming in.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't be good.
All right, sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'd like to help you, but sometimes we can have a good answer. Sometimes we got one of those. Send us your questions anyway to HomeShowRadio.com. We're happy to help you. Check out our videos and subscribe to our channel, too.